welcome to another episode of the Cartoon Beatbox Battle. Today's battle is going to be a little scary. In this corner, weighing 180 pounds and a height of 6 foot 3 inches, he could shapeshift, regenerate, and hopefully he won't be in any of my dreams. Look up the definition of the word evil and you'll see who we have here today.
Sky.
Okay, in this corner, weighing 192 pounds and a height of 6 foot 5 inches, he's a skilled chemist and has a genius level of intelligence. He broke out of Arkham Asylum just to be here with us today. He is the Prince of Crime.
Lightning. Oh wow, I'm going against a girl that simps for a boy. Well, at least I'm not a person that zaps people all the time.
Okay, so Pennywise
Sky.
is going up first. Pennywise, are you ready?
Sky.
All right, here we go in 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, what a scary performance by
Sky.
Pennywise. But it looks like the
Lightning.
Joker is unfazed.
Of course I am, because she is a stupid idiot.
What? Well, it's your turn to show us what you got. Are you ready, Joker?
Lightning.
Oh, yes, I'm ready.
Okay, well, here you go. In 3, 2, 1, go!
Just a young gun with a quick fuse. I was uptight, wanna let loose. I was dreaming of bigger things and wanna leave my old life behind. Not a yes sir, not a follower. Fit the box with the mold, have a seat in the foyer. Take a number. I was lightning before the thunder.